Alright guys, the first shift with the new shift knob. Here we go. Oh! How's it going everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name's Justin and today I'm gonna show you how to make your car look and feel better in 30 seconds. Today we are installing a Mishimoto shift knob. First of all, I gotta give a shout out to my girlfriend. She bought me this shift knob and I'm so thankful. Anyways, as with most of my videos, this is a perfect starter mod. It makes such a big difference and it literally takes 30 seconds. So this is a Mishimoto weighted shift knob. It comes in two colors, black and silver. I figured my old one was silver, so why not get black? So that's what we have right here. This thing looks so cool inside of cars and I'm so excited to put it on my car. So without further ado, let's go throw this thing on. Like I said, this install is so easy. It can literally be done in less than 30 seconds. Basically, all we're gonna need to do here is untwist this knob, take this one out of the box, and just screw it on right here. Man, with the logo and everything, I just love it so much. There aren't any instructions inside the box, but they include these different thread sizes just in case you have a different size shifter. Alright guys, the first shift with the new shift knob. Here we go. Oh man, this thing feels awesome. I love this thing. It feels so good. I can't help but feel awkward saying that it feels really nice, but it does. And man, this thing feels good. Man, I just love how this thing feels. I love how it looks. I love everything about it. And it only costs around $45, so it's perfect for a stylish name brand, starter mod, and shift knob. And unfortunately, I don't have service, so I'm gonna put the weight right here. This thing, like, it's something you're gonna notice every day, you know? You put your hand on it. It's what you use to work the car. Without further ado, let's take it for a drive. Anyway, so after owning the shift knob for a little while, driving it daily, I decided to switch over to the old one, and I can honestly say that I prefer the new one. The shifting is much more smooth, it feels better, it gets a little cold, and what can I say, it looks better. So that was about it for this video guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I guess as always, peace out.